Hey everyone, so I've got my electric scooter here. This was gifted to me, so I can go ahead and show you all the features, and there are quite a few. I do want to let you know it only takes about 5 minutes to put together once you do receive it out of the box. There are just 6 screws up here at the top. They do provide a tool to go ahead and mount that, and then you're ready to go. So right up here up top, we've got a handbrake here. Now this does have dual brakes, so we got brakes on the front and the rear. We also have a bell, so that we can let people know when you're around them. We've got large grips here to hold on to it. This is our accelerator right here. And then we also have a magnetic dampening front suspension right here. That way when I'm on the road on some bumps, it really absorbs those really well. Also the tires, they're solid. They're not filled with air, so that way you don't have to worry about getting any nails in those. And it has lights on the front and the rear. Now when you hit your brakes, the lights are going to go ahead and blink, and that way it lets people know that, hey, you are slowing down and they can see you really well. Also, of course, it comes with a charger right here, and this is our charging port. Now it does take right around 4 to 8 hours to charge. It does have a speed up to 15 miles an hour, and it has 3 speeds. We've got slow, medium, and high from 3 to 9 and up to 15 miles per hour. This does have a range up to 11 miles. It doesn't weigh very much, just right around 32 pounds, but it does support up to 220 pounds. This front lever allows for easy storage. It has a nice easy read display. It tells your miles per hour, how much battery life is left, and the gear that you're in. It does have an app that shows some of the same things, low, medium, and high. And what I love about it, we've got a lock here. Once you turn that lock on, somebody cannot actually turn the unit back on. You have to actually turn that off. And if they try to move it, the wheels will not turn either. It does have some more information here. It tells you how far you've driven, the battery level, the total riding time, and then it records all that information. So this is IPX5 waterproof, so if water gets on there from the rain, that's not a problem whatsoever. But I've had a lot of fun with this, whether I'm riding on concrete or asphalt. I mean, it does have a range of 11 miles, so it can take you really far. This is great if you want to go out for the day to the park or camping. I mean, you name it. I hope you found this review helpful.